this mesh screen cleaner is the perfect way to be able to clean your screen doors or your window screens. But this is super easy to use. When you get it, it's just 2 pieces, so you can use it with just this piece and have it for areas that are easy to reach. If you need to use the extender, they both have arrows on them, so just feed it through in that same direction, just like that, so the arrows will be in the same direction there, and then just pull it, give it a little tug, and you're set. So now it is an extender. If you have really tall or doors, screens, or window screens, or just don't want to bend over as much up or down, this makes it easy for that as well. All you do, you can just wet this. You can even wet the screen itself. Use a hose, a sprayer, just pour some water onto it. It's super easy to use. And then you're able to just clean it. When this gets dirty, you can just give it a rinse and keep going. But because of the fibers on here, now it doesn't look like it's super long fibers, but the fibers are just long enough for the mesh screen. So this is the perfect length of the fibers here to be able to really get through the mesh itself and be able to get a nice clean on there. So this is great. Again, use it when wet. But this is really, really effective. I haven't found any other way before to clean screen doors and the screens of windows. So highly recommend this. Thanks to the brand for providing this for me.